Time for new tires. Just crossed 35,000 miles. Oil change will come Saturday, but we're going from the Continentals back to the Michelins, and plan to give them a really good tryout both ways. I'll show you what I'm doing as I go. And this is my little shade tree backyard bead breaker service. Just a piece of wood cut at an angle, little board on top, gives you leverage, push down and pop the bead off. I use a little simple Dawn dishwashing liquid and water and put it on the beads, even the old tire beads. Makes it come right on out with your standard tire tools. All right, back tires going back on. Got the beads seated nice. Again, a little bit of soapy water helps that transition. Make sure you get your wheel indexed the same way that you took it off, and remember to not over torque these. Now for the front tire, you could set something heavy on that back box, and while it's on the center stand, it'll lift the front tire off the ground and stay nice and balanced. Now for the front tire, both brake calipers need to come off. They're 13 millimeter, and they just pop right out, and then you can take the front tire out once you get the pin out. Now I like to clean the axle pin and the bearings out a little bit and apply just a light coat of a tacky grease just to keep corrosion down and keep it lubricated. And the front tire goes back on just the same way it came off. Just be sure not to Mongo grip when you're torquing down all of these bolts, etc. They don't need to be put on like they're never coming off again. Just good common sense torque. And I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I've been able to do pretty much every maintenance thing I've had to do on this bike. Tire changes, tune-ups, everything, oil changes, all with this little kit from Cruise Tools. Works great. And that's what the little tool kit looks like when it's all rolled up. And then I've got this aftermarket toolbox. I just shove it on up in there.